Hi everyone, my name is Dimas.
My name is Anissa Wulandari.
And I'm Hayu Cahyani.
Today we are going to learn about phonology, especially in minimal pairs, complementary distribution, and
Free variation.
first we are going to learn about minimal pair. Minimal pair is a pair of words that is differ only in a single phoneme. Let's see the example for minimal pairs. Here we have three pairs of words, and then we're going to find out the different from each. Here we have van and van. We can see that there is a difference in the first part of the words, the of sound in the fan and v sound van. And then the des and this, we can see there is a difference in the middle, in the vowel sound, in the e in the des and e in the des. And then the third pair, we see that there is a difference in the last part, in the last sound, that is t in hat and d in head. Minimal pairs also can be distinguished into three types. The first type is the initial sound, and then second type is medial sound, and then the third type is final sound. We can see in the initial sound that there is a difference that appear in the front part of the words, and then in the medial sound we can see that there is a difference that appear in the middle of the words, and then the final sound we can see that there is a difference that appear in the last part of the words. Let's take a look for the example of minimal pairs type. Here we have a pair fan and van, then we can recognize that there is a difference in the first sound from each words, that is of and v. And then for the medial sound we can see that there is medial sound in the vowel of e in the das and e in the des, so we can see that there is the medial place from each words, des and des. And then for the final sound we can see here the example hat and head. We can see there is a difference in the last part or last sound in each word, t and d. Sometimes we found a group of words that is particularly similar but not, but we can differentiate it one each from the others by changing a single phoneme in the same position. We can call it as a minimal set. Let we see for the example of minimal set. Here we have few words that are particularly same but not, and we can see that there is a difference in each words, like b in big, in rig, of in fig, d in dig, and w in wig.
Okay, so move to the next lesson. It is about complementary distribution. Complementary distribution is the allowance of same phoneme, and it is only can be found in one environment. To make you understand about this lesson, I would like to give you two examples of complementary distribution. The first example is in a carving handwriting in the word glue and blue, and the second is in pronunciation of plural forms of birds and cats.
In the first word, the letter L begins near the bottom of the line, like this. But in the second word, the letter L begins near the middle of the line. This example is two variants in complementary distribution. Another example in sounds are the pronunciation of plural form for cats and birds. Here, as what you can see, in the pronunciation of cats, you will pronounce plural form of cat is cats with S and it is a voiceless sound. But in the pronunciation of birds, you will pronounce it with the last letter is Z and it is a voiced sound. The two variants in the plural form of S and Z are determined because of the preceding letter. The preceding letter is the for cats and the preceding letter is the for birds. And there are two variants of complementary distribution.
So that is the explanation about complementary distribution.
So let's go to the next lesson. We are going to talk about free variation. Free variation is an alternative pronunciation of a phoneme in a word and it doesn't change the word's meaning. Absolutely, free variation is rare and there are two reasons for it. The first one is the dialect of the speakers, and the second one is the emphasis that the speaker want to put on the words.
Well, just like what I said before, free variation is allowance of the same phoneme. It is two or more sounds appearing in the position in a word without any change in meaning. To make it clear, let's take a look at these examples. The first example is stop. Stop can be pronounced as stop or stop with p or up. The second example is data. Data can be pronounced as data or data. And the last example is either. A can be pronounced as E or A. So either can be pronounced as either or either. This difference of pronunciation do not change the meaning.
Okay, everyone, thanks for watching our videos about phonetics and phonology in minimal pairs.
Complementary distribution.
And free variation.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. We see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.